Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 1 of the InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at what is InDesign. So InDesign is a publishing software where you can make magazines, books, newspapers and other printing materials. And this is a very light software compared to Photoshop and Illustrator, so you can do a design pretty quickly in this software. So let us start with the interface basics. So once you open up InDesign here, so I'm using InDesign 2017. The workflow is quite similar in all of the designs, the InDesign application version out there, but we are sticking to 2017. So now what I am going to do is to create a new document. I'm going to say new, just like this, and you can see that you get a document preset. So over here you just select a document preset and choose whether it is for print, web or mobile. So you can also create interactive documents for mobile and web. But for now I'm going to choose print, and in paper size I'm going to select A4 size paper. That's the regular Xerox paper right there. And over here you can also select the columns right here. Right now I'm going to select one column and select the orientation as this. And facing pages, once you do this, it comes up like a Word document page, and facing pages is something like when you have flip over pages, double pages, just like in magazines. So I'm just gonna press OK here, and once I do that, it'll create a new document over here, as you can see. And once I create the new layer icon, you can see that I have pages just like this. So this is how facing pages actually works. If I were to go to new and document over here, and I'm going to turn off facing pages right here and press OK, and over here what happens is that you see that single pages just come up right here, which is great for documents. And over here when I actually go to new document right there, you can see that you can also set the margins and columns, for example. So let's say I want to have an 8-column document right there. So just select A4 and press OK, and there you see you have an 8-column document right there. So that is how you create InDesign pages, just like that. So on the interface side, what you have is that you have the toolbar at the top, which will actually change on the basis of what you select over here. So let's say, for example, if you were to select this, you can see that you get the option for that, just like that. On the text side, you can see that you get the text option right here. So the toolbar actually changes according to the tool that you select on the left side. And the layers panel and the pages control panel is located over here. And if you're familiar with InDesign or Photoshop or other Adobe application, then you know that this is quite similar. And the window panel is right here, and all of the menu is located right here. So we're going to dive deep into this in further lesson. And one of the tool that you got to get used to is the move tool itself. So just select this and you can actually click and drag the objects around just by using the move tool right here. So if you want to place it, you can just use the move tool to drag the objects around and resize them accordingly. So that is how it actually works inside of InDesign. So InDesign is a light software. We'll learn further about this in other lessons just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.